How can you prevent algorithmic bias in AI systems? Imagine you are building a robot that helps decide who gets a loan or who is hired for a job. Would you want it to unfairly favor some people over others? That's where preventing bias in artificial intelligence systems becomes so important. Bias in AI can come from many places. If the data used to train the system mostly includes one type of person, the AI might not work well for others. For example, if a facial recognition system is trained mainly on images of white faces, it might struggle to recognize faces of different ethnicities. That's data bias. Algorithms themselves can also introduce bias. If the rules or formulas used to make decisions favor certain groups, unfair outcomes can happen. For example, an algorithm designed to prioritize certain income levels might overlook others. This is called algorithmic bias. Even how AI is used can cause bias. If a hiring AI is used without considering diverse backgrounds, it might unfairly screen out qualified candidates from minority groups. That's deployment bias. So, how can we stop these biases from sneaking into AI systems? First, gather diverse and representative data. Make sure the training data includes all kinds of people, backgrounds, and situations. This helps the AI learn fairly across different groups. Sometimes, you can also reweight data, giving more importance to underrepresented groups to balance things out. Resampling techniques, like oversampling minority groups or undersampling majority groups, can also help balance the data. Next, improve the algorithms themselves. Add fairness constraints during training so the AI doesn't favor one group over another. For example, ensure the false positive rates are similar for different groups. Adversarial debiasing is another method, where you train the AI to ignore sensitive information like race or gender, reducing bias. Regularly evaluate and audit your AI models. Use fairness metrics and bias detection tools to check if the system is making fair decisions. Explainable AI, which provides clear reasons for decisions, can help spot biases early. If the AI's explanation seems biased or unfair, you can adjust the system. Post-processing techniques are also useful. Adjust decision thresholds to make outcomes fairer. If the AI is unsure about a decision, it can reject making a prediction, avoiding biased results. When working with AI tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E, fairness is key. ChatGPT should give neutral, respectful responses regardless of who is asking. DALL-E should generate images free from stereotypes. In productivity tools, fairness ensures no user is unfairly treated based on their data or profile. By following these steps, you can help make AI systems fairer and more ethical. It's about being proactive and thoughtful at every stage, collecting good data, designing fair algorithms, and constantly checking for bias. That's how we build trustworthy AI that works for everyone.